This is the hurricane. They predict a tornado coming our way soon. This is
check the wind.
And there's Sal checking the wind.
Check that one.
And the sky looks a little menacing up there. I guess they did go away across the street.
What?
I said, I guess they did go away across the street.
Who?
Jason.
Oh, they did.
They are? Oh, they put the car in the garage.
Probably. Doesn't going anywhere. I don't know. They changed their mind.
Yeah, that sky looks a little menacing. We should really be going in the house. This is before anything. There's Sal checking the wind. Again, making sure the wind was to his liking. Wind is picking up. There's the sky. They said there was a tornado over Kennedy Space Center and Titusville Airport, which is a few miles away, but we were lucky, I guess, so far.